So let's talk about some of the receipts you need to be gathering for your accountant. This is where organization in the beginning helps. And if you need help with that, just reach out. I can help you. So, telephone, mileage. Have you been tracking your mileage? You need to be tracking your mileage because that counts as a deduction. I would keep your gas receipts as well for now. I would keep the receipts until your accountant says, we don't need that. Did you sell any retail? You need to provide your sales tax returns. Have you received your W-2 or any 1099s? Did you work in a co-working space? Did you work out of your home? If so, you will then need your utility bills, possibly your mortgage statements, so that you can use your home office as a deduction. It's been 24 years since I used my home for a deduction, so things have definitely changed with taxes. So always refer to your accountant. Disclaimer, I am not an accountant or a CPA. I don't know if it's still necessary, but most likely you will need the size of your room as well, because that's in proportion to the size of your house and yada yada. It goes on and on. Did you attend any conferences, whether local or out of town? Those receipts would include your meals, flights, rental car, hotel, etc. Again, those are just some of the receipts that you need to gather. The other thing your accountant would really appreciate is if you had everything organized in date order. That's so big, so big. If it's organized, you will appear to your accountant with celestial angels singing, and you know, that slow-mo, wind blowing in your hair image with your papers in hand. Or if you upload it to a portal, just imagine that this is the visual that your accountant will have of you. Next are bank and credit card statements. If you didn't know already, you should have a separate bank account for your business from your personal. Don't mix the monies. Don't intermingle. Not good. Start from the beginning. If you don't already, you need to be downloading your monthly statements. Your accountant will need those to complete the return. Also, you can be looking through your statements for purchases that you may have missed in your receipt gathering. If you match a receipt to a transaction on your statement, give it a little mark so that you know it's accounted for. You would treat credit card statements the same. Make sure that you have downloaded January through December. If you purchase something on your credit card in December but don't pay for it until January, that would be a 2024 expense, not 2023. Same would be the case from December 2022. You would need that statement if you purchased but didn't pay until 2023. The more organized you can be for your accountant, the better. Remember, notes on the receipt, or we have a receipt tracker, at the time of purchase would greatly reduce the chances of missing something or saying, I don't know what that was for. I did not buy that. That wasn't me. That's all I got. Hopefully that helps you stay ahead of the tax deadlines.